Did you break my bike?
No, I don't think it was either. You kicked my dog?
So, we putting bets on what do you think it is?
I think the old man's right. I think it's something in the transmission. Snapped it in pieces. Because everything works, but
the reverse gear doesn't work anymore. It doesn't reverse anymore. We must have uninstalled it.
That's the only thing that makes sense.
Shit.
She's not your public property, she's just a girl. She lost her way on thirst, she stays.
Maybe look away.
She's a squirter.
Maybe look away for a second.
Ooh. Any gear on that?
It's a little shimmery, bud. A little shimmery. That's not. Nothing
I've seen
out of
worse.
Yeah, nothing out of the ordinary. But that's the primary, so. Let's see if I can see what this transmission. A little bit of me-tail right there. Has left the chat though. It's weird though. The fluid's like super clear.
You don't know what that is yet.
Ooh. Throw a little ass into it, you know what I'm saying? Throw a little ass into it.
You don't know how to throw ass into it yet.
Properly fused.
Yep, that looks like a clutch. The diagnosis.
New transmission.
We don't even know yet, bro.
I'm pretty sure.
All I remember is going in for a drift, and it didn't drift. So yeah, it was the bike.
Said your horsepower has left the chat.
Yeah.
Rev limiter only. A little extra shimmery in here, Dirt. In the primary.
Where?
Look at that.
That's all out.
Look at this fucking clutch plate, how it's like smashed in here and gaped out.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking normal. I bet the main shaft's broken.
Oi!
I think the problem's in there. Somewhere. Foley's on the fresh 25 build. So it wasn't the first two issues. See.
No, I mean either way we're gonna have to do the same shit. So pull your whole primary off, pull your tranny out.
How many days till the brawl? 10? 9.
Oh, are you riding a brawl?
Apparently.
In Arizona.
Maybe not.
Seal. It's not leaking.
Their muscles painted on.
Brother, that sucks.
Well, I seen movement.
One thing you could say is she wasn't gonna leak, you know what I'm saying?
You don't like a leaker.
I don't know much.
Suspense. What is it? Whoa, 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 wee, wowie.
Whoa, 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 very nice.
I can't see anything yet, but I don't know what I'm looking at. What's the diagnosis?
You're a sick fuck.
Yeah, and that's sick.
You can just see it down there, dude. Like, see if you can see
Get out of
camera.
first gear more.
You see that,
Oh,
big
yeah.
space behind that big gear right there? There's
Yeah.
supposed to be another big gear right there.
And it's all gone.
No, it's under your shift fork. I don't know if you can see it down there. Can you see it down there?
Yeah.
See it?
Oh, yeah, that's where it is.
Yeah.
First, you have to clean this.
Trash.
And then just throw it on the parts washer. Or we can power pressure wash it outside if you want. And then put it on the parts washer. Just pour it on the Under and around his left.
It's been an hour, bro, so we're not fixed.
Oh, yeah, that's a fucking...
Oh, they're ready on that.
Bike's moving so much, dude.
I don't think there's any pressure in the front tire.
Yeah?
There's one in Yuma right now for 3 grand.
It's flat.
5,000 miles.
It's freaking me out. A little.
Are you scared?
A little.
Do you need me to hold your hand?
Oh my god. Fast as fuck, boy.
Dude, we haven't made much progress. And by me, I mean you.
What do you mean?
I see problems. Take it for a test ride? It's finished? It looks kind of finished. Gay. Day 2. Gearbox Chronicles. What's it doing in here?
Well, we're gonna take this fucking good old reliable early model 5-speed and get rid of what you have. We'll put you a nice, fresh, fully rebuilt, resealed transmission. Full case and everything.
And have you done this before?
Me personally, no. Everything cleaned out and resealed today, you know? And then,
That'd be ideal.
yeah, get the old case out of
I
yours.
forgot how to stunt ride. And this is the fix. The gearbox.
You need some.
Is it done yet, bro?
The new case is in the parts washer. It's all on the bench over there.
You've been in here grinding.
Just motor mount.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh, thanks.
This looks great.
Yeah. Back to the old.
Does that mean wheelie Sunday tomorrow?
Ooh, yeah, it might. That's why I came. I want you to be able to ride this weekend.
Well,
Felt bad.
does that mean I get to teach you how to do a wheelie? Let's
It
go.
might take more than a Sunday for that.
Let's go.
2 Jakes and a far
So
out
what have you
bar.
got left?
Oh, I just gotta put the transmission back together, basically.
That's it.
New oil line
Simple.
fittings, fresh seals, tranny in, strap her up, primary on, strap that up, and then yeah, we're on the road with a clean early model 5-speed. You know what I'm saying?
About to put a heat set on, you know what we're about to do.
Rough shifting. No way, dude. Day 50. Putting the gearbox back together.
Crazy.
Man, this thing's nearly done.
Yeah, this side over here is completely done. We're just gonna put fluids in.
Sheesh.
I'm gonna line this shit up. You know what I'm saying?
Just right. If you get it off the lift and do a burnout, I'll be the happiest man alive. You reckon he'll do it?
That's the.
Oh, you can't do it.
Final steps. Final piece. Some engine oil. Explain to your fans.
Well, I like to go so my wrench doesn't move. It's a bottom. See it? A lot of spots.
Ooh.
Ooh, see? Alright, so that's bottom. Half turn out. With your clutch cable collapsed, of course. Oi! Oi, mate. I'll give her a snugging.
And that's how you adjust clutch. Every clutch or just the early model Diamonds?
Pretty much every clutch. Except the M8s. You know, they have that weird auto clutch bullshit. Cable wise, this shit's the same.
That's the tits.
It's the same.
Adjust to fingers happiness, huh?
Yeah, I like mine. I like mine a little tight.
Quit.
Tweak.
Okay, okay. I'm a trendsetter. Ay, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. Let go. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, though I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play.
I think he thinks he's gonna do a skid, but he's a bit of a pussy. Sheesh. Dude, you owe me a tire. You fucked it.
Yo, thanks for watching and being part of my YouTube journey. Super stoked to be posting more. I've been super flat out since I've gotten here, so I haven't done much filming, but from now on, it's gonna be flat out. This weekend, we're heading to the Stunlot Sunday. Next week, we're heading to Arizona Bike Week for Modded Culture, Ride and Destroy Brawl competition. We're gonna be riding out. It's gonna be a super fun weekend. So the next month, from now till the end of the year, is gonna be flat out. Welcome, stay tuned for more.